Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This shot angle is crazy, but we'll make it work. Today I'm going to show you a really simple way to get this ink bleed effect in Adobe Photoshop. It's truly simple, so just follow along. It'll just be a couple minutes. We're starting off by writing our text as per usual. Resize it, position it wherever you want. We're then going to select our text layer and our background layer, right click and convert them into a smart object. Then go to filter, blur gallery, field blur. Now you gotta love the field blur because you can add all those little dots and give a different blur amount to each one of those, and you end up having this really cool effect. Then go to image adjustments levels, and we want that far right and far left little triangle thingies. We want to push those towards the middle, and we want them to be pretty close to each other so that we get more of a separation from black to white. Then go to filter, distort, ripple. I usually go with a medium ripple, and you choose the amount you prefer. We're then going to go to select, color range, and you can use your eyedropper tool to select your type color and then just simply add a layer mask to your layer. That way you have your text, you have no background right now, so you can add those in as you wish. You can add an image for your background, you can add a color, a fill color, whatever you want. I'm just going to add a light gray fill color, and then I'll add another fill color on top of everything and clip it to our text layer. That way our text color is fully editable as well. Lastly, just add a paper texture. Who doesn't love a good paper texture? Change the blending mode to something like multiply, and that's literally it. How many minutes was this? Like 2, 3, I don't even know. Not many minutes though, but yeah, that's it. I hope you guys love this tutorial. Feel free to comment if you have any tutorial requests or YouTube video suggestions or if questions, anything really, just feel free to comment down below. And that's it. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.